I've been doing all of this wrong, y'all. All of it's been wrong. And we gotta fix it. We gotta fix it. I'm just glad I caught this at an early stage, y'all. I've been moving like someone who has a set pattern. I've been moving like someone whose waves are basically where they want them to be, or at least close to that. And I'm nowhere near that, y'all. And today I'm gonna show you guys what my pattern looks like and just in general what my waves look like, because we gotta fix this, y'all. We gotta fix this. I've been brushing my hair like I'm basically trying to maintain my waves, and I'm not at that point yet, y'all. And I've decided that I need to start this all over. And when I say we're doing this all over, I don't mean that I'm about to scalp and we starting a whole brand new pattern. What I mean is that I'm cutting really low, y'all. Probably a 1 all the way around. When my hair is long, everything fakely looks good. It looks like I have waves. You understand? I walk down the street and I'll get compliments. People say, oh, you know, nice waves. But we know these ain't nice waves. You understand? So I basically want to cut my hair low enough to where I'm able to fix all these forks, get rid of them, decide on exactly what pattern it is I'm trying to do. I'm not where I'm supposed to be at all. And my hair is gonna show that. I'm gonna try and get as close as I can, y'all. Look at this crown. I've been trying to work on it, but as you guys can see, it's a hot mess. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm trying to see if I can focus. I'm leaning to the right a lot, over here, leaning a lot. And this comes from a lot of line brushing, y'all. This is why I'm always telling y'all, brush in the mirror, especially if you're just starting, you know? Eventually, once you get your angles correct, then that's when you do it. This side is a big mess. This is the back. I need to get all of this cut off. I usually keep everything under my do-rag line cut off because I don't like to have that crazy looking line. This is what we looking like, y'all. Yeah, I can see the shape up is horrible. And this pattern is in there right now, y'all. Like it's actually pretty deep. This part right here has always been really hard for me to get together. Especially right here. The barber always cuts this part really short, and I've been cutting my own hair and the same exact thing's been happening, y'all. But y'all see what I'm looking like. This pattern is all messed up. All messed up. I felt like I couldn't start this without showing you guys what my hair looks like right now. Enough talking. I'm out of here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content or if you want to see the progress that I'm about to be making, y'all. Shoot a comment. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitch. Right up here. We out of here.